Why are some of the biggest American companies, like Google, Amazon, and Meta, pouring billions of dollars into Indian startups? Here's the truth: India is the next big tech battlefield, and the giants of Silicon Valley know it. Let's start with the numbers. India has over 1.4 billion people, and more than 800 million internet users. That's more than double the entire population of the United States. And most of these users are young, tech-savvy, and mobile-first. Perfect customers for digital products and services. Google knows this. That's why they invested over $10 billion into Indian startups and digital infrastructure. The goal: to dominate India's search, cloud, and Android market before anyone else does. Amazon. They've already spent $6.5 billion building their presence in India. They're betting big on Indian e-commerce, small sellers, and even groceries. Why? Because India's online shopping market is expected to grow to over $200 billion by 2030. Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, is doing the same. They invested $5.7 billion into Jio Platforms, one of India's largest telecom and internet companies. That deal gave Meta access to millions of small Indian businesses, many of whom now use WhatsApp and Instagram to sell directly to customers. But why invest in Indian startups instead of just expanding their own? Because Indian entrepreneurs understand local needs better. From payment apps like PhonePe and Paytm, to edtech giants like Byju's and Unacademy, these startups are solving problems unique to India: fast, cheap internet, affordable education, small business logistics, and they're doing it at scale. American companies see this as a golden opportunity. They invest in these startups not just to make a profit, but also to get a front-row seat in one of the world's fastest-growing markets. And it's not just tech giants. Venture capital firms from Silicon Valley, like Sequoia Capital, Excel, and Tiger Global, are funding Indian startups every single month. Why? Because they've seen unicorns, billion-dollar companies, being born in India at record speed. In 2021 alone, India created 44 new unicorns, second only to the US. That's why the world is watching. So what's really happening? India is no longer just a place to outsource tech support. It's becoming the global center for innovation, consumer growth, and digital transformation. And smart American companies aren't waiting, they're already placing the bets. Because the next Facebook, Google, or Amazon might just come out of Bengaluru, not Silicon Valley. And if you're wondering where the future of global tech is headed, the answer is clear. Follow the money, it's heading to India.